In this video, let's talk about an IIT JEE question which was based on the topic of functions and was asked in the year 1989 for 2 marks. The functions is a very important topic, especially considering IIT JEE examination, and this formula based chapter of functions includes trigonometry also and some geometry part too. This question, which was asked in the year of 1989, has the application of geometry and equilateral triangle. Let's see what the question has to say and let's get started with the solution. Let's read the question together. The question is what? Let gx be a function defined on -1 to 1. Whatever is important, we will be highlighting it. Defined on -1 to 1. If the area of the equilateral triangle, so I have an equilateral triangle given to me and 2 vertices of the triangle are already given. I know that in a triangle we have 3 vertices. So 2 of its vertices are given. The first is 0, 0 and the second vertex is x comma gx. Do not get confused with the square brackets. They mean the same for coordinates as the small brackets. And the area is given to me as root 3 by 4. Then the function gx is what? Basically, there are 4 options for gx. We have to choose which one or more than one of these options is correct. Let's get started by putting the heading as solution. So I write the heading as a solution and I focus on what is given to me. It is given to me that the area of equilateral triangle with 2 vertices. So let's draw an equilateral triangle first. And there are 2 vertices given to me. Let us name the triangle as ABC for our convenience. The first vertex is 0, 0. The second is x comma gx. So it is 0, 0 and x comma gx. Right. We know that in an equilateral triangle, what is the formula of area? So area of equilateral triangle is what? It is root 3 by 4 a square or root 3 by 4 side square. This we already know. This is the formula. Let's write the formula in a big box so as to remember it. This is what? Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Now we already also know what is the area given to me. It is given to me as root 3 by 4. So I have area is equal to, this area is given to me. Next I am going to write the formula. It is what? Root 3 by 4 into side square. Take any side into consideration. Let us take the side BC into consideration. So it is simply the application of formula wherein I have root 3 by 4 of the formula, that is area, is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Now what is BC square? BC is the distance and I know the distance formula. What is the distance formula? Distance between 2 points x1 and x2 is given as what? Let's write down the formula first. I know a distance formula. Suppose I have 2 points x1, x2, y1, y2 and y1, y2. The distance formula is given as under root of y2 minus x2 square under root of y2 minus x2 square plus y1 minus x1 square. So the distance D is given as that. Now let's again enclose it in a big box because it is a formula we will be using to solve this question further. Now by this formula, what is the value of BC? BC is nothing but x minus 0 square plus gx minus 0 square, and that is in the root. When you want to find out BC square, the root would be eliminated. So what is the value of BC square? BC square is nothing but x minus 0 whole square, which is x square, plus gx minus 0 whole square, which is gx square. Now when you know the formula and the value of BC square, you can directly substitute it. Some things get cancelled, that means root 3 by 4 gets cancelled with root 3 by 4. So what is now left? We are left with 1 is equal to BC square. So let's put the value. I have 1 is equal to BC square. Now what is BC square? BC square is x square plus gx whole square. Write the value. 1 is equal to x square plus gx whole square. What are we supposed to find? Check the options. We are supposed to find the value of gx. What is gx from here? Gx is basically under root 1 minus x square. Let's continue the solution downwards. I am making an arrow symbol to proceed. 1 minus x square is equal to gx square. 1 minus x square is equal to gx square. I don't need gx square. I need only gx. So what is gx? Gx is basically plus minus under root 1 minus x square. So plus minus under root 1 minus x square, this is my answer. That means either it can be of plus sign or it can be of minus sign. Let's check the options. The first option does not fit in. It has x square plus 5. Option number 1, not my answer. Option number B is what? Under root 1 minus x square. That means plus. Plus sign is there. Yes, option number B is my answer. What about option number C? Option number C is minus under root 1 minus x square. Yes, I have minus also. So option number C also my answer. What about option number D? It is plus in between the roots. There is nothing called as 1 plus x square. So option number D is not my answer. So basically my answer are two options, option number B and option number C. So B and C options are my answer to this question of IIT JEE, which was asked in the year 1989 for 2 marks.